Hey people, welcome to IELTS Sage, your IELTS exam guide. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In our last video, we learned about computer-based and paper-based IELTS exam and about IELTS band descriptions. And in this video, you'll get to know about the equivalency of IELTS band scores with other language skill testing benchmarks. In order to get clear understanding of today's topic, you will have to watch our last video. The link of our last video is in the description below. Let's begin with our today's topic. IELTS band equivalency with CEFR and CLB. Now, as you know a clear understanding of IELTS band scores, let's see how the bands are equivalent with other language skill testing benchmarks such as CEFR and CLB. The equivalency of IELTS score into CEFR, which stands for Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, is done by Council of Europe. IELTS score of a candidate is converted into CEFR levels while seeking admission into an European college or university. The CEFR level ranges from A1 to C2. Let us have a look at this chart of CEFR to IELTS. CEFR level A1 and A2 refers to basic level of English user. Band 4 is equivalent to level A2 of CEFR. IELTS band 4.5 and 5 is equivalent to level B1. B2 level candidate is independent user having IELTS equivalency of 5.5, 6 and 6.5. Level C1 and C2 are proficient users having IELTS equivalency of 7.5, 8, 8.5 and 9. In this way, IELTS band scores are converted into CEFR level. The next language skill testing benchmark is CLB, which stands for Canadian Language Benchmark. CLB level is considered for candidates who are applying for immigration program for Canada. IELTS bands are converted into CLB level of such candidates. Now let us see in details how IELTS band scores are converted into CLB level. Candidates who score 4 band in reading, listening, writing and speaking, they get CLB 4. Candidates scoring 4 in reading, 5 in writing, 5 in listening and 5 in speaking get the CLB 5 level. CLB 6 level is equivalent to scoring 5 in reading, 5.5 in writing, 5.5 in speaking and 5.5 in listening test 2. CLB 7 level is awarded to candidate who scores 6 in reading and writing, speaking and listening. Candidates who score 6.5 in reading, writing and speaking and 7.5 in listening test gets CLB 8 level. CLB 9 level is awarded when a candidate scores 8 band in listening and 7 band in remaining 3 modules. CLB 10 level is the highest level and is achieved by a candidate when they score 8.5 in listening, 8 in reading, 7.5 in both writing and speaking modules. Candidates who score CLB 8, 9 and 10 are considered to be an ideal candidates to apply for the Express Entry program, which is the immigration program for Canada. Even TOEFL exam scores are also converted with the IELTS exam scores. So students who have previously applied for the IELTS exam and who wish to apply for the TOEFL exam in order to apply for the Canadian and US universities, they can just submit their IELTS scores, which are then converted into the TOEFL exam scores. We'll make a special video on the CLB levels and the Canadian immigration program and as well as on the TOEFL exam too. So this is for today. I hope you all may have found this video informative and understandable. So stay tuned to IELTS Sage as our new video on new topic will be coming shortly. If you have any suggestions, feel free to write them in comment section. Guys, give this video a thumbs up and those who haven't subscribed yet, then make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.